Hello everyone, this is Mohit Daswani, and me and my teammate Rahul Ghimire had made this project called Shubhkadam. The object of this website is to make a e-commerce website to sell shoes from my real life showroom Shubhkadam. Shubhkadam is a website which is easy to use by customers to buy products from our showroom. There are two different panels. One is for user who can buy products, and second is for admins who can add products and look onto orders of the customer. So now I'm showing you the endpoints of all the things. I have already registered by this email address and also verified this email. So I'm showing you the login part. uh, yeah, you can see the login part here, and I have also added forgot password and change password. So if a user will forget the password, then he can change through this by creating a new password, and the forgot passwords link will be sent to uh, email like you can see here. So after then I will have to copy this token to show you the further things. And for login also, we have also used Google sign in and Facebook sign in by passport.js. So I'm showing you the products by gender. We have used pagination also, and in each page there will be showing two products only for now. So you can see here for page number 4 and it will be same for page number 1 also. I'm showing it to you. Yeah, they are different products. So if I want a particular product details of the any product, so I will type here the id of the product and we will get all the details. Now you can see the id is 29 and the product details size for size 8 there are the price is 1299 and the color for these are these, and same for 9, 10 and 11. And also there is a review which users send reviews to the particular product, so these are the review. And secondly, I will show you the sort the products. It will sort all the product by ascending dates. Like now you can see the dates are in ascending order 28, 29 id, and same for descending thing. Hmm. Now you can see the id is 42 and afterwards 40, 41. Yeah, that is it. It is showing just for women. If I will type here for men, the result will be different. And here apart from ascending and descending date like new arrivals and clearance stock, I have also used high price and low price. For high price you can see, yeah, the product is from high price to low price. So 1999, 1999 they are same actually. So okay, 1599, 1299, it is going through this. And similarly it is for low price. For low price it will come from ascending to descending. Yeah. So afterwards it we can also search the product by name also, like if I will type here the company Bata to get the whole products of Batas. So now for now I have used casuals, so I'm getting the products of casual. You can see uh, the category is casual. Now we can also make this by using the brand name also, Bata. So now you can see the brand name for every product is Bata. Bata. So this is it. And secondly, yeah, for add to cart things, user must have to log in first. Hmm, we have we have to give this authorization. And for product 29 I will add 30. Yeah. So I need a color. If I will type here random data like size 15, so you will get the result as 15 is not available right now, it will come soon. So I have to add that data which is available. So same is for color and quantity. If I will type here the quantity as 500, so I will get a result of out of stock. So I need to add as different thing. So I will add quantity S2. So here you am getting all this thing. Now I will show you the cart page now. So the user is 118. So earlier I have added this product. So now for now uh, I can show you that there are two different product, card 14 which I have added now, and it was earlier, it was of earlier. So quantity 2 and 3199. So here the total price will also be running, like if you multiply these two things and these two things, you will get the result of 30381. So for now, if I want to change the quantity in further in for further cart page, like it for now, yeah, if for the cart ID, like here the cart ID was 14. If I will type the quantity from 2 to 5, so message server, it is because actually there is no more quantity for it. So actually I have typed it wrongly. Yeah. Oh yeah, I have not changed this. So yeah, uh, now I'm getting the result, and the quantity is 1 now. So if we will go to the cart page again, the quantity will change to quantity 1. Then the product total price will also be changing. Okay. And for the or placing the order, we have to give this. For that we have to give first authorization, and after that I have to add the address where I have to send my all the orders. So for that, yeah, order ID has made. So order placed, there were two products, this and this, number 1 and number 2, and user ID is this, address is this, the total price is this. So this is all the things which I wanted to show you. And there is some similar for admin also. And as admin can put uh, as admin have to register first. So first I will register by this email address, and email already occupied because I have already registered this email. So I have to actually log in it. So I'm logging it. So now we can add products here, like I have added this product by adding the quantity and body. For that I have to first this, yeah. So I will put all the product here now, as you can see, and I will get this result. So after that, for now I can show you the new thing, like I'm doing this again, 3829. I'm changing this style code only because style code is unique for everyone. So style code should be unique. It is taking time because it is adding 4 images in the Cloudinary. So I'm getting this ID and the whole thing. For I will then afterwards I will add size and color for this, and for that I have to make similar style code which I have used earlier, and the size and price of the quantity. So kindly log in because I haven't registered here till yet. So yeah, so I have registered here, and now I will need this ID, precise ID of 186. So I will type here 186 and give here the color and quantity of that particular product. So kindly log in first because again I haven't used authorization. So yeah, you can see that I have color added that thing. Now if I will search for this product of ID 72, then I will get the whole data of it, like size, rate, quantity, and review. We didn't made any review, so this is showing me this. Yeah. So yeah, I can also add review to this. Like for product ID, you can. I have made this 72 now, na. So for product review, the product will be. Actually, I have to log in. Hmm. So I need a. Hmm. So I will add review to this thing. Review good and star 3.5. So I will add this now. So I'm getting the ID and all thing. So I will again search for this 72 product. Let's see whether the review is coming or not. So now you can see here that review and stars are coming here, so it is running fine. And that's all for now. And verify phone OTP is I'm not doing because my phone is already registered, and email verification is also registered for now. And yeah, this is it for now. And I will also show the front end part later when I will learn React. And on this I have already done that Razorpay thing to pay for payment option. And this is it. Like thank you.